Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to do some amazing training with this awesome program. Are you ready for emails, autoresponder, content marketing, SMS marketing, done-for-you marketing pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, capture pages, unlimited content? Is there more? Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing, and I want to show you this amazing system. If you're trying to get in before December 31st, 2020, you're going to save 50% off of the $87. And as long as you continue to pay your bill, you will have that price forever. If you want to be an affiliate, unfortunately, it is going to be $87, but you make way more money and you'll be able to use everything in the system. So let's get started. Down below will be this link that you can opt in and learn more about these done for you pages. So here I am in this, and this was already done for me. All I had to do is just put my link and it's done for me. I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to do my own pages all the time. So if you have a group or a team that will do the pages and help you, why not get started? So I just want to let you know that this is an amazing system that already has done for you pages, already has the autoresponder done. You just update it with your information and you have content immediately for your business. So let's get started. All right, this will be the second page that you come into. It will show you the pricing and how to get access. Already done for me, absolutely simple and easy. Right here is the program called Nowsite Marketing. These are quick start videos. It's how to make a website, how to create an email campaign, how to make an ad, how to make social posts, analytics, how the teams work, what's done for you, and a website builder, all in one. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to have everything done for you. Right here is our Nowsite Training and Event Center. As you can see, almost every single day of the week you can get onto some type of training. So today is actually the 16th. There is a live website and funnel building training with Serena. Just click on it. Get started. I can't wait to get started and jump into that funnel building. If you want to create your own funnels, that's absolutely amazing. Right here will be an overview and a training later this evening. It looks like at 9 p.m. I believe that's Eastern. So jump into marketing overview and understanding more about marketing. If you're online, you're going to want this system. Absolutely amazing. Look at all that training. It is recorded and you can jump into it also. So right here is my Nowsite Marketing. This is all done for me. So I am part of actually 2 teams, but it is 3 groups here. This is a done for me, all done for me. If you have a company that you want in this system, just let them know. There's training videos, Nowsite logos, marketing presentations, running an affiliate contest and lead magnet, email campaign, 6-figure information from Cedric Harris, website building and training. These are the ones I'm going to attend later this afternoon, and these are the ones I missed, so I will come back and check out those recorded ones. Are you ready to make your very own ebook, websites, getting started? All of these videos. Website training, pages and examples, an opportunity funnel, sales funnel, social images that you can use, training again with funnel building with Serena, traffic secrets with Kuwan. Oh my gosh, this stuff is absolutely amazing. If you're missing out on growing and expanding your business online, you're truly missing out. I wanted to show you the page that I originally clicked on. Right here is Dr. Money with the Santa landing page. All I have to do is click on it and download it. How easy is that? Here is the Santa sign up page. Download, add it to my websites. The website's done. Right here is a capture page. Download it, use it. It's all done for you. Why are you waiting? Contact me today. Here is more email campaigns. Here is the SOS Vault, so Secrets of Success, and the website. Right here is my other one. These are evergreen webinars already done for you. Zoom rooms that you can jump into. Getting started. Here's more of the website. So if you're not part of Dr. Money and you're in Nowsite Elite, this gives you more of that information. Right here is the Monday training. Here's Facebook ads in the funnel, social media posts, promo materials, Nowsite rank generator, software, and teams right here to let you know how to use countdown timers, icebreakers, video grabbers, 70 skills, and on more. Email campaigns, Nowsite marketing materials. Here is a private label rights. So when you become part of my team, I show you how you can use those, social marketing post, and the 27 of days promo and funnel. Absolutely amazing. If you want to learn more about this amazing program and how to get started, please get started before December 31st, 2020. Otherwise, just become an affiliate, pay $87 and get started, get paid immediately, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, click on the bell, and bye for now.